Good evening, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Excel video lesson number 22. In previous lessons, we studied about function. We studied a lot of functions. So now we will move to some other concept. So I like to inform you, we did not learn all the function. In Excel, there are so many functions are there. We learn functions which are much needed in office work as well as our personal work. But I can assure you, whatever function we learn, you can familiar with them. Then you can adjust any difficult situation, whatever you feel in official work as well as personal work. If you want to learn some more function, whatever we are not covered, you can learn yourself with the basis of the functions, whatever we learn. So don't conclude you know everything. That means all the functions in Excel. We learn some of the functions which are important. That's only. Okay. Now we will go to another. As usual, like to open functions. Now I like to teach you data menu. In data menu, we are going to study about first sort. Already you know very well, sort means putting one list in alphabetically ascending order as well as descending order. Similarly, we can sort numerically ascending order as well as descending order. Just assume here having one list of students. I like to copy these students alone. The list of students are not in any order. That means Selvam, Saria, and then Bhaskar, and then Neil comes. I like to put all the students' name alphabetically in ascending order. Alphabetically in ascending order. It's very simple. Select all the names. Click this icon. That means A to Z, sort A to Z. See, everything comes in ascending order. Similarly, if you want to put them in descending order, you should go for here. That's all, very simple. Same thing, your marks are there. Here, marks are not in any order. I like to place in descending order. Then you got to place it here. Then 100 comes, 10 comes last. Similarly, you can put ascending order. This is 10 for ascending order. Here, we are putting one list of students as well as list of marks in ascending order. What will happen, sir, if you are having one full table? Here I am having state, capital, important cities. Population. Assume you are working in one travels company, travels and tourism. So here we should know all the state name as well as capital of the state, important cities as well as the populations. Okay. So first I'm typing Tamil Nadu, Chennai, again Chennai. Just it is 10 lakh. Population in lakhs. Kerala. Randomly I type in the population. Assume we are having some of the states as well as their capital, important cities in that state, and then population of the city. This is the one list of the important cities in our India. But the problem is the state is not in ascending order. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, it is randomly placed. I like to place all the state in ascending order. Then only we can easily follow it. How? So here I like to put this column in ascending order. Already very well how to put ascending order. This is ascending order. This is descending order. Select everything. This column. Put it, click on this icon. So it option two options there. Expand the selection as well as continue with the current selection. While doing previously, it does not ask any option. Here it does not ask anything. It puts simply because we are having list of marks, only one column we are having. But whereas here we are having not only having one column, we are having so many columns. Okay, depending of this state, this Chennai as well as capital, important city, population, everything will be affected. We will see exit component. Here instead of giving expand the selection, I proceed with continue with current selection. That means I like to sort this column only, not B, C, D. This column only I like to sort. That is why I'm selected continue with current selection. Now you will have one problem. We will see it. Sort. See here column A. Okay, simply click column A stands for this column. Simply select OK. What happened? This column is sorted. But the problem is state comes inside. At any cost, state is a title row. State is a heading or header. Other than state, all the details should be sorted. Whereas here, we don't have any heading column or column name. But here we are having state as a header. I just undo it. We will see. Here my data as a header. Okay. Now we are having one header. Put tick mark here. So other than even though we selected column A fully from A1 to A10, since we put it a tick mark here, this A1 will be skipped. That is a header. Now we have to click here. Other than state, everything is ascending order. One more problem. This Karnataka comes here. This whole column only put in ascending order. This BCD is not disturbed. We are not disturbing BCD. It is wrong. Whenever the fourth row should go to second row, the whole row should go here. Then only it will get Karnataka, Bangalore 20. Okay, so it is wrong. I just make undo. This is column. We have to ascending order. But depending upon this column, BCD also put in ascending order. Then only it will be correct. I will explain you just a minute. Click sort. If you go for continue with current selection, this column alone, that means this column only will be put in ascending order. So we have to expand the selection. That means this A to D, everything should be selected. Click expand the selection. Sort. See, everything is selected. Everything is selected. Initially we selected only A column. Because of we select expand the selection, A to D, the whole table is selected. My data as header. Now we are having header. Okay, if we didn't put it here, this state will come inside. Put tick mark here. Here, sort by which column we want to sort. I like to start state. Okay, so depending upon the state, the whole table should be put in ascending order. Put OK here. See here, Karnataka, Bangalore 20, Karnataka, Bangalore, Mysore 80, Karnataka, Bangalore, Belgaum 15, then Kerala, Tamil Nadu. So this A column is ascending order. We put the whole table is put in ascending order, sort by A column. Now, one more thing. Here Karnataka, that's good. Here Bangalore, Mysore, Belgaum. In each and every state, the important cities should be put in ascending order. That means Karnataka, it should be Bangalore, Belgaum, Mysore. Similarly, here Cochin, Sabari, Trivandrum. Here Chennai, Kovai, Tiruchi. In each and every state, the important cities should be put in ascending order. How you will see. Now we should do two levels of sorting. First, State wise, we have to make it ascending order, and then we have to make important cities wise ascending order. Select this column alone first, sort, expand the selection, then click sort, everything selected. My data as header, that's good, but sort by, here you have to select first state wise. Then your add level is there, you have to click one more level. Then by, click it here, important cities. We can study it now. Sort by states, values A to Z. Done by important cities, values A to Z. That means first we have to sort the whole table, sort by state, and then sort by important cities in A to Z, A to Z. Now we will see it here. Karnataka, Karnataka, Karnataka. Here Bangalore, Belgaum, Mysore. Similarly, Kerala, 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 Cochin, Sabari, Trivandrum. Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu. It comes Chennai, Kovai, Tiruchi. Okay, so this is the usage of sort. Then we will see, we don't want any level 7. Just we want to put population in descending order. Then we have to select this column. Then go to here. Expand the selection. So all the whole table should be selected. Depending upon the population, whole table should be placed in ascending order. Sort by population. Expand the selection. Okay. Now data as header. Now we have to select population. But it is not smallest to largest. Previously we selected text value. That is why it is pushed in A to Z. Now we selected here population. That is why it is smallest to largest. Okay. So if you put like this, 10, 20, 30, 40. But what will happen if largest to smallest? Select here, expand the selection. My data as header, population. It should be changed as largest to smallest. Largest to smallest. Simply click OK. See, 100 Kerala, 90 Tamil Nadu. Like this it comes. Okay, now we finished how to put one tabular column. Sort by either ascending order or descending order. That is all. Then we will put undo. The list will be good. Next, we are going to study about filter. From the name itself, you can conclude we need to extract some of the records which we needed from the list. Here we are having one tabular column. The tabular column has so many states, their capitals as well as important cities and the population of the important cities. The problem is we are having so many states here. Out of this, we need only one state. Out of this, we want to see only one state. Since, for example, we are having only 3 states. What will happen? If all the states in India is available here, it will be hundreds of records will be there. Hundreds of important cities will be there. So it is not possible to find out, to extract the state or important cities in one state separately. For this purpose, we can go for filter. Here, I like to view important cities in Tamil Nadu only. I like to view only important cities in Tamil Nadu. How? That's what. First, select the title row. It is a heading row alone. Very simple. Simply click filter. Since the arrow mark will be displayed here, we are applying filter. Okay. So click this arrow mark. Here, unique value will be displayed. See here. Here, Tamil Nadu is there. Karnataka is there. Kerala is there. Unique value means only one Tamil Nadu. Instead of 3 Tamil Nadu, we will get only one Tamil Nadu. Instead of 3 Karnataka, we get only one Karnataka. That is what is a unique value. So we got only unique values here. Since it put tick mark here, select all, everything display. But our aim is we like to see or we like to view only Tamil Nadu. Then select this, remove the tick mark here. You will get nothing. So you have to put tick mark here only. Don't put tick mark here. Simply click OK. You will see the important cities. Those are available in Tamil Nadu. See here, 2 immediately 5 comes. 3, 4 are hidden. Similarly, after 5, 9 comes. Here 6, 7, 8 are all hidden. Okay, this is one. Now what will happen if you want to see all the details? Select this icon, then put tick mark here. Everything will be visible. Instead of Tamil Nadu, I like to view Kerala as well as Karnataka. I like to view Kerala and Karnataka. Simply select this one, remove the tick mark here, put the tick mark here, put the tick mark here, and simply click OK. That's all. Karnataka, Kerala alone will be displayed. I like to view all these details. Put tick mark here. Can view. Okay, I don't want this concept that I want to remove this one. Select this one and once again click the filter. It will go. So if you want to apply filter, select this one, click filter and then select this one. One more thing, text filters equals same thing whatever we studied here, we can apply here also. Show rows where state equals. Here I can select Tamil Nadu. Simply click OK. Tamil Nadu will be displayed. But now I like to view state Tamil Nadu or sorry Kerala and Karnataka. Show filters equals Tamil Nadu or equals Kerala, here Karnataka. Show rows where state equals Karnataka or equals Kerala. Then Kerala and Karnataka will be displayed. Other than Kerala, I need everything. Simply click here, go to text filter, does not equal Kerala. That means Tamil Nadu as well as Karnataka will be displayed. See here. Similarly, begins with K. Here I like to put simply K. Show rows where states begins with S. Okay, so begins with S means Karnataka as well as Kerala will be displayed. What are the states begins with? Which are the states begin with K? That will be displayed. We are having only two states that begin with K. That is Kerala and Karnataka will be displayed. Similarly, we can go through here. Does not contain this. So we can remove it. Population wise, I like to see most populated state. That means population should be very high. Then simply apply the filter. Here, number filter greater than or equal to 80. Greater than or equal to 80. That means show rows where population is greater than or equal to 80. That means 80 will come, 90 will come, 100 will come. We will see here 80, 90, 100. Most population controlled cities. Click here, go to number format, less than or equal to. Then we can put 30. Lowest populated city. You get 30. In between, I like to display 40 to 60. Moderate populated. Click it here. Between. That means greater than or equal to 40 and less than or equal to 70. That means 40 to 70 we will get. 40, 50, 60. I want to see all. Then click remove it once again. So this is the usage of filter. Here one more filter is there. That is called as a advanced filter. That is called as advanced filter. What is the use of the advanced filter? Advanced filter. Here we are having so many important cities are there. Already we know if I apply this one, I like to view only Tamil Nadu. I like to select here, click here, simply click OK. But I need here whole list here. Out of this, I want to extract Tamil Nadu alone in different place. The whole list should be displayed here. It will be as it is. Tamil Nadu alone should be placed in I column or somewhere else. Okay, then only I can able to compare the extracted value kept separately. The whole table should be kept separately. How? That is why we are going to see advanced filter. We can remove it. First select everything, advanced. Here two concepts are there. Filter the list in place. That means same thing whatever is a filter. Whatever data we want, that will be displayed in the already itself, in place itself. How? See here I need state wise. I can type here state. That means I need to view only Tamil Nadu out of this table. So select everything first. Select advanced. This A1 to D10 is selected. Okay. Criteria range, you got to click the cursor here, drag it. State Tamil Nadu. No need to worry about copy to, we will see afterwards. Simply click OK. See here, Tamil Nadu alone is displayed. Similarly, if you want to display Kerala, go to advanced. Before that, we got to change it here, Kerala. Go to advanced. Here, F1 to F2, simply click. We'll see Kerala. Here, one more thing. This table should be placed here itself. The Tamil Nadu should be extracted from this out of table and should be placed here onwards. Okay, from H column onwards. How? Then only we can compare. Here we have to type Tamil Nadu. Select everything. That means A1 to D10. Go to advanced. Here instead of selecting, filter the list in place. Now we have to select copy to another location. So now I like to copy only Tamil Nadu records in some other place. That is why I selected here copy to another location. Criteria range, that is state should be Tamil Nadu. Copy to, where I like to put, here I like to put in H column, I have to select. Simply click OK. See here, only Tamil Nadu comes in this place. Select A1 to D10, go to advanced, copy to another location, H1. Then the details of the Kerala will be placed in, will be extracted from the table and will be placed in H1. See here. Similarly, I like to put Karnataka. I will delete everything. Select everything. Go to advanced filter. Copy to another location. Here I like to place H1. Simply click OK. The important cities or details of the Karnataka will be extracted from the table and placed in the H1 column. This is the usage of advanced. So today I stopped here itself. In this lesson, we studied two concepts. One is sort. That means if you are having only list of the state or population alone, we can go for directly A to Z or Z to A. If you are having one tabular column that contains so many details, then we should go for sort. Then if you want to put only ascending order of the tabular column per one column, so one level is enough. After that, I want to put another column also, in sort by order. We should go for add level we have to use. Then filter. We are having one tabular column that contains so many details. If you want to view only records which satisfy certain conditions, you can go for filter. If I am giving filter, the extracted details will be available in the same tabular column. Remaining details will not be displayed. If we want to extract the details of the rows from the tabular column and display in some other place, then we should go for advanced. Okay, today I stopped here itself. I hope all of you enjoyed this lesson. In next lesson, we will study little bit more. Until then, thank you students. Bye-bye.